Ever wonder what truly drives an elite operator? It takes more than just grit and muscle. We get into the raw truth of secret missions right here. Think about humble leadership too. True strength shows when you let experts handle the hard parts. That is something you really gotta see unfold. We talk about gear and what folks actually carry day to day. Some guys use customized firepower for sure. But listen closely to this detail. Inside the country, you probably should not carry extra guns. Special ops crews sometimes run silenced weapons though. They favor very specific setups for tough jobs. And forget big flashy displays of power. Real skill comes from trusting your crewmates implicitly. Brotherhood becomes your ultimate defense line. Then we touch on crazy situations in top-tier training. Remember the infamous SEAL Team SHU nickname. Hazing stories paint a dark picture of initiation rites. Yet surviving that builds unbreakable character. Advanced courses demand perfect protocol every single time. Messing up a tiny rule can cost lives fast. Plus, keeping your head straight is almost as vital as running miles. Physical toughness helps, but mental steel wins battles. Modern fighting looks totally different now. Those silent killer drones are changing everything rapidly. Identification in battle can mean instant disaster. Enemy forces have swarm tech that makes us look slow. So you learn to keep your mind locked tight inside yourself. Family stuff gets sealed off so the job stays done. Do not let worry derail your whole world order. And what about belief and tradition? Sometimes sticking to principles guides huge choices. If you skip festivals, ask yourself why biblically. Stay grounded in what you know works for you. Ignore wild guesses about the stars and planets. Focus on the ground beneath your boots instead. Finding peace means controlling your inner landscape mostly. If you want the full breakdown on sacrifice and skill, hear the rest of this incredible story soon. Find our link below to catch the complete download. Subscribe now so you do not miss what is coming next. Check out Profile for podcast summaries.